Caught in a downpour, no umbrella, no way. Plans in my pocket just washed away. Slipped on sidewalks of you should know. Youth is a hurricane when you go it alone. I ran from myself, lost in the blur. Each street light a ghost, every echo a slur. I thought I dissolved in the black of the sky. No one saw when I broke, no one heard my goodbye. But I'm a phoenix in the rain, soaked through but still in flames. The water couldn't drown this heart, it only sparked a brand new start. Burning brighter through the pain. Yes, I'm a phoenix in the rain. And I rise again, I rise again. Every fall wrote a scar on my skin, but now they're gold like medals I win. I don't need clear skies to fly. I'm learning how to ignite the gray in my life. The thunder once scared me, now it sings a drumbeat for wild, for broken-winged queens. I'm a phoenix in the rain, soaked through but still in flames. The tears didn't make me weep, they taught my silence how to speak. Burning brighter through the pain. I'm a phoenix in the rain. And I rise again, I rise again. Let it pour, let it break, let it flood. What I fake, only real things will remain. And I'm more real every day. I'm a phoenix in the rain. Watch me set fire to shame. I'll turn the darkest night to gold. With every step I break the mold. Can't extinguish what remains of a phoenix